San Diego magician Tom Interval here. Welcome to another Interval of Magic. Today I would like to do a tutorial from here at San Diego State University, otherwise known as SDSU. You can see behind me that I'm on campus, and it just gives a little bit of a break from my apartment. So today's lesson will be how to shuffle a deck of cards in a false way, otherwise known as a false shuffle. I consider it the world's easiest false shuffle. A beginner can do it as long as you know how to do an overhand shuffle, and I'll show you how to do that as well. So you're going to learn a real overhand shuffle, and you're going to learn a false overhand shuffle to get the card to the top or the bottom of the deck. And this is very useful when you actually want to control a card for the purposes of maybe forcing the card later on. So hope you enjoy this. Hope it's very useful. Okay, this is going to be a relatively short lesson, but it's going to be really useful if you're a beginning magician. If you need to shuffle a deck of cards, but actually have a force card on top of the deck, in this example, let's say it's the 4 of clubs. But you want to shuffle the deck so it looks like it's randomized before you do the trick, very simple. This is the world's easiest false shuffle. At the end of the shuffle, I want the 4 of clubs on top to get ready for whatever trick I'm going to use the force for. So, the way you do it is, how do you do that? How do you have a spectator shuffle the deck for real and then get their card on top anyway without knowing any really difficult sleight of hand? And then you can reveal the prediction as the reveal. I'm in the SDSU library, which is why I'm whispering, because in libraries, you kind of have to be very, very quiet. I'm here in the magic section, 793.8, in the juvenile section. Yes, I'm a juvenile, so it's perfect. I'm in the juvenile section, and I'm right by the magic books. And I found a magic book that has a little lesson in it that goes perfectly with the lesson I showed you earlier with a tutorial having to do with the false shuffle. This is a perfect follow-up. Okay, here are the library's magic books, and inside the Golden Book of Magic, as I said, this is copyright 1964. There's a really cool utility move that's a perfect follow-up for the world's easiest false shuffle. Okay, here I am, a juvenile in the library's juvenile section. How ironic. Now, this is a follow-up, okay, to the trick you learned earlier. Not really a trick, but to the utility move you learned earlier. Okay, if you have any questions, email me at tom@intervalmagic.com. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and or listening to this Interval of Magic. If you enjoyed it and want to see more like it, along with a variety of other great magic-related content, please help support my work by becoming a Patreon patron at www.patreon.com/tominterval. Also, please like and share this, subscribe to my Interval Magic YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, @IntervalMagic. Until then, may your intervals be happy, peaceful, and magical.